Hi everyone, this is KaiTech and welcome into this new TechDIY. Today we will transform these cheap mini desk speakers into high quality loudspeakers for very cheap. It cost me less than $2 using recycled materials. If you want to find out how, watch the video till the end and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you take apart the speakers, you will find this device, which is an amplifier. This device has audio in, audio out and power inputs. This circuit amplifies sound from your phone or your computer and makes it louder, otherwise the sound from the speakers will be very low. I soldered the wires to the inputs of the amplifier and screwed it in the back of the loudspeakers. I also added those connectors to connect to other speakers. I was going to power the amplifier with this adapter, but I wanted to power it from my computer, so I used this USB cable. Now I will cut the other end and connect it to the amplifier. I also need this audio port, so I will remove it from this old device, solder wires to it and connect it to the audio in of the amplifier. Quick tip, always get some solder on the wires before soldering it to the circuit board. Now I will test the speakers. You may want to decrease the volume, as the sound will be very loud. But keep in mind that this recording is just a test and does not give a real idea about the volume of the speakers.
Dressed up in the first days. Well, please hold your tongue, don't say that.
Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive notifications about our future videos.